Hey guys, as you might have noticed, we hit 800,000 subscribers on the NCX Tech Tips channel. We're actually at like 830 now, but it's taken us a while to get to this video, so yeah.
But it's all thanks to you guys. I mean, obviously, because you're the ones subscribing, so.
That's logical. And as such, we were racking our brain on how to really celebrate this joyous occasion. And we thought, 800,000 subscribers. Why don't we shoot a PC case with 800 paintballs?
It was actually Jack's idea because he has a paintball gun.
I do.
And anger issues.
So much issues. Of course, this won't be all about wanton destruction of a PC case, so stay tuned afterwards. We might have a bit of a surprise in store.
I mean, we do have a surprise. Not might. We do. It's a giveaway. So you don't have to string them along like that. To the shooting part.
Pew pew. It fell over.
Is that it? Reload.
Reload.
Is our GoPro okay? I got a bit of paint on there, but that's okay. Staying still.
Dude, trigger discipline!
Yo, I didn't know it was that sensitive. I just tapped it.
Trigger discipline!
It's so sensitive.
It's a paintball gun. It's a speedball gun, of course.
I've never fired this type of ridiculous. That's so sensitive. It's like, I didn't even touch it.
Dude,
Come on.
you wasted paint.
Ah!
So this is, I think, the last bit of the 500 balls.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, 500.
That one bag is 500.
Oh! Damn, these are going everywhere.
Yeah, the barrel's like super dirty, that's why.
Badass. So, we were so intense about shooting the paintballs that the barrel got all gummed up.
Yeah.
So
It's good because it's breaking near the tip and not inside the inner threads.
Right.
Because that's still a bit clean.
Yeah, you don't want to hit the inner threads. I know that one for sure.
I'll be back, I'll clean it.
Well, Barret, how do you feel?
Oh, let's get it.
All right, let's get it. Let's get it done.
Oh.
Oh no, there's still more.
Stop!
Oh no! Are they broken in the magazine? Oh shoot. That's not good.
Yeah, there's paint coming out now.
Oh.
Well, looks like our 800 paintballs turned into. Whoop!
Okay.
I'm manually hitting it, that's why.
Oh.
That's it.
Well,
800 balls.
800 exactly.
Give or take 10.
Give or take a bit more than that. But that's okay.
Thanks for subscribing.
Thanks for subscribing.
What? Keys, what are you doing?
And one more for good measure.
Yo, we shot right through the box.
Yeah.
Oh, snap. That's awesome.
This is the aftermath. You see a faint trail of yellow paint going towards this box of glory here.
And one thing's for sure. A PC case died today.
It's in a better place now.
It's in a better place now. Oh no. Ugh. Nasty.
Thanks for tuning in, guys.
And one more for good measure. Ah!
I don't think that one exploded, but okay. See you guys later.
Hate that case. Screw that.
Well, that was fun, but now we have no idea what we're gonna do with that case. It's just sitting outside. But what we do know is that in appreciation of all your support on this milestone, we have a giveaway.
Ooh, it is a prize pack courtesy of Ozone. So big thanks to Ozone for providing the goodies, which are an Argon laser gaming mouse.
And the Strike Battle 10 keyless mechanical keyboard with MX Brown switches. What do you have to do to win these? Just make sure you're subscribed to NCX Tech Tips, which most of you should have already done by now, and leave a comment on this video with hashtag 800K.
But you can get yourself an extra entry if you share this video and tag us at NCIX Tech Tips on Twitter or the official NCIX Facebook page. Huzzah!
Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks so much to all you who are subscribed.
Seriously, we wouldn't be able to do any of this without you guys, and we appreciate all of your support. Central Park!
Yeah.